Mastering the art of roasting a 14 pounds turkey.
Hello there, culinary enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a quintessential holiday classic, the turkey. Specifically, we're going to detail the cooking time for a 14 pounds turkey at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's get started.
Preparing your turkey.
Before we dive into cooking times, it's essential to ensure your turkey is properly prepared. This includes thawing, seasoning, and stuffing your turkey if desired. Remember, safety is key. A fully thawed turkey ensures even cooking throughout.
Preheating your oven.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a standard temperature for turkey roasting, promoting even cooking and a crisp, golden exterior.
Cooking time calculation.
Now, for the star of the show, cooking times. A general rule of thumb is approximately 15 minutes of cooking time per pound of turkey when cooked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. However, this can vary based on factors like your specific oven, the stuffing, and the temperature of the bird when it goes into the oven. For a 14 pounds turkey, this equates to roughly 3.5 hours. Remember, these times can vary, and it's always important to ensure your turkey reaches the proper internal temperature.
Checking the temperature.
The safest way to know if your turkey is cooked is by using a food thermometer. You should aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the thigh, away from the bone. This is critical to ensure your turkey is fully cooked and safe to eat. And that's it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to properly roast a 14 pounds turkey at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't forget, preparation and temperature checks are just as important as the cooking time itself. Happy cooking, and enjoy your delicious turkey feast.